And good evening. I don't know what time it actually is right now. I couldn't sleep. It's somewhere about 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning, I guess, or 9 p.m. Anyway, I got a Yale that was sent to me. Let's see what we can do about picking this. It's a little dark, so hopefully you'll be able to see this all right. I'm going to be using the Mad Bob's tension wrench and a short hook for the Sparrows kit and see what we can do. Alrighty now. Get tension wrench in there. Can we see okay? Where we at? Bump it up a little bit. And pan it over just a little bit. Okay. Here we go. Click on one. Click on two. I think I should need a little bit more tension. Click on 4. Little counter rotation, not much. And nothing on 5. Beginning again. 1. Nice click. 2. Good click. 3. Nice click. 4. Nothing. Oh, 5 got a little click off it. Now I'm going to go reverse from the back up. 5, a little bit moves of the core. 4, 3, oh, got a little bit more falset going here. Can we see? I should turn it a little bit. Okay, that's 3, 2, 1. Gotta click off of 1. Start from the front. 1. Nice click out of 2. Click out of 3. Click out of 4. And click out of 5. A little bit more moving on the core. Got a good false set going. Click out of 1. No, sorry, that was 2. Nothing on 1. 2, got 3. 4, got a little bit more movement. 5, and we opened. Nice. Can we? I don't think we can disassemble this one. No. If you look in it, there's a black hole. Sorry. Can't open that one. Anyway, this was a Yale. What does it say on it? Yale TOWNE, TOWNE, made in the USA, manufacturer company. Yale manufacturer company. No model number or anything. It's an older lock. It's really nice. I think Scruffy sent this to me. Thank you, Scruffy. But that's all I got. We're open. Thank goodness. I want to go to bed. Alright, guys. That's all I have for you today. Please be safe. You know what I'm going to say. What was I going to say? Just be safe. Don't put your picks in anybody else's locks. It won't become illegal. Lock sport is just that. It's a sport. There's nothing else to it. I'm gone, brothers. Bye.